everybody, it's Erica the Stylist and
me.
And today we're gonna do a quick fun video. Yes, I'm Mommy.
We're about to make some banana bread.
Yes, and it's so easy. I'm pretty sure you have all the ingredients at home, and you just have to let the bananas that you haven't used really ripen, get nice and brown or even darker. The darker they get, the sweeter, the better, the mushier. But it's only a few steps, and it is gonna be better than the best banana bread that you've ever tasted. And I'm gonna share my 3 secret ingredients. Stay tuned.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Also, I don't cook with my hair down, so you're gonna see me with my bonnet on from here on out. Yep. She's gonna keep her hair unwrapped. Okay, so these are all the ingredients and tools that I will be using to make this video, along with the hands of my assistant. But this is our loaf pan that we're going to be using, a mixing bowl, a little hand mixer that I've been using for years, and then here are all the ingredients right here.
We got this,
and then my secret ingredients, I'll show you that, and then all the measurements, I'll have them down in the description box, and I'll also have this on my Instagram TV with all of the descriptions on how to make this. Okay, first I am going to spray my non-stick pan with some Pam.
Mom, look that. It looks like smoke.
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna leave it here to chill. Okay, in this first bowl, we're gonna mix up our flour, our salt,
and our egg.
and no egg yet. Our flour, our salt, and then we're gonna put.
Can I put it in?
Yes, this is cinnamon and nutmeg.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Perfect. You got it all in there?
And
wait, nope, not that yet. And we gotta mix this all together.
Can I mix it?
Yes.
I can.
Go slow. Wait, not so vigorous. Wait, slow down. We gotta make sure it's evenly mixed. Let Mommy help you real quick, and then you can do it while I add the other stuff.
Okay, I can do it by myself?
Yeah, you're gonna do it by yourself.
Yay.
Uh-oh, Mommy making a mess. Oh, smell that? Oh, that smells so good, doesn't it?
Can I do it now?
Okay, no, it smells good. Okay, nice and soft. Mix it up. Oh, shoot, be careful. There you go, like this. There you go. Okay. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Okay, awesome. We mix that all up, and then we're gonna set that to the side, okay? Then we're gonna take the same fork, and we're gonna put these bananas.
Can I help you put the bananas in?
Yes. You gotta peel them.
I like bananas. And also my daddy likes my bananas. Especially he do.
Don't drop it. You see? Take the whole peel off.
Yep, take the whole peel off. It's like my mama make bananas. Mama, do you know how to make banana soup?
Banana soup?
Yeah.
You got it, baby girl?
Okay. Got this one? Can I put it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Just put it in there. Don't smash it. Okay, go ahead. You can do the rest.
Okay.
And we're working on a clean surface. And we have washed hands, right?
Okay, let's get this out. Oh.
Make sure you get it all in there.
Okay, I'm just about to put it like that because.
Ew, don't wipe it on your shirt. We'll go get you a paper towel. Hold on.
Oh. Gosh, man. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get this all into it.
Okay, there you go. It's all in there. You got it? Perfect. Now, here you go. You can wipe your hands.
Because we don't want to get our germs.
No germs, no.
We're
going to mash these bananas.
Can I smash them?
Yes. Smash them up real good.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yes, you're doing such a good job. You are doing a good job. Mash, baby, mash. Mash, baby, mash. Mash, baby, mash.
Yeah.
It's hard work, isn't it? Being a chef, a sous chef. But you mashing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here, let Mommy help you so we can. Okay. don't want anything to fall off the table.
Okay.
And we don't want your hair in there. Okay?
Oh, like that. Can I try?
Hold on. Gotta mash them up real good.
And then can I mix them?
Wait. You want them to be mashed almost like a baby food consistency. So we don't want any clumps in there.
Okay. Hold on, baby girl. Let you mash it as soon as mommy kind of gets all these big clumps out. Do you don't like big clumps in there? No, we don't want the big clumps. But why are we the big clumps in there? I don't know why you want to take them off. Mommy.
Okay, this is the consistency that we want. Kind of like a little thicker than baby food.
Okay.
Okay, watch your hair.
Okay.
Go ahead, keep mashing. While she's doing that, in the flour, I also forgot to add in the baking soda. So I'm just gonna mix that baking soda into the flour while she's smashing.
All this look like baby food.
It does look like baby food. You're doing such a good job.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm not done.
Very good. Thank
Can I
you.
look the spoon?
No, not yet. Not to. We need that. Okay, go ahead and lick it. I'll use a different one. How's it taste?
Good. See how the butter looks?
Okay, we have a room temperature stick of butter, and I'm going to use half of it.
Can
Hold on, Emerald. I'm going to use a half of the stick of butter, and it's really melted, so
we're going to put it in.
we're going to use a little more just because we're feeling fancy, you know?
Yep. And then can I mix it up?
Hold on, Emmy. Okay, and then we got us, where's the fork?
Okay.
We're also going to add our canola oil in there.
Okay.
Just pour it in.
Pour it in. Oh, gosh.
Don't wipe it on your shirt. Wipe it on the napkin.
Oh. Here we go.
We're going to add our eggs.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. There's the egg.
I need this paper towel. Thank you, baby girl. And we're also going to add our brown sugar in. Can you throw the brown sugar in? There we go. It's in there.
Can I smash it?
Now I'm going to use my fork to mix it all up.
Oh my gosh, it looking so good. Right?
Yes. We had the butter, the brown sugar sitting for a little bit too long. It got kind of hard.
Mama, that's so good.
It does look really yummy. And it smells even yummier. I break up any chunks of brown sugar if you have some. Typically I wouldn't have any, but I set it on the stove and it was warm. The stove was warm. Now, we're gonna set this off to the side for a second. We're gonna add our secret ingredients. Disregard my shirt. My secret ingredient is vanilla extract. We're gonna put in a heaping teaspoon. So pour that in there.
And don't make it fall.
Go ahead, drop it in there.
Okay.
Bam!
Bam.
Bam!
And then can I mix it?
And then
Mix it.
we're also gonna put another
Hey,
secret
that smells
ingredient.
good.
It smells very good.
This?
Some Crown Bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup. I put this stuff in so much. We don't need the spoon for this. This stuff is the absolute truth.
Okay, Mama.
Ooh!
Mama, I'm going to
Oh,
hold it.
smell that. Okay, put the spoon back down. We don't need the spoon there. We're just gonna put in a bam, like that. Bam.
Can I do it?
Yes. No.
Oh, Mom, that looks so
This
good.
has bourbon in it, but it's very mild. Then we're also gonna add a little bit of vanilla bean. There we go. I had to really dig into it. And ooh, look at that. All those vanilla beans. We're just gonna put them right in there.
Because you like them in there?
Yes. We basically made a roux. We'll get a little bit more out.
Can I put it in this time?
Yes. Hold mix them in.
I'm gonna mix it all in.
Last wet ingredient that we're gonna add is a little bit of sour cream.
Yeah.
And that's to help us keep some moisture. We don't have much sour cream left in here, so I'm just gonna use the same spoon. Drop that in there.
Guys.
And remember, we don't want to over mix. You don't want to over mix.
Mommy, it smells so good.
You better not have no boogers in my stuff, girl.
Mama, if you put my boogers in, it smells really bad.
Yeah. Okay, we'll set that over there. And then I'm going to start adding in my dry ingredients. And we have to do it little by little. Hold on, baby girl. So little, Emerald, shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it. Okay, now we're going to fold that in. We don't want to over mix.
And don't want to put it on the table because it will look. Oh, it's looking so good.
It's smelling so good.
Yeah, with sugar.
Okay, we're going to add the last little bit.
Mama, that's so good.
Okay, let mommy stir it and then you can stir the rest.
Okay.
This smells so good. What you think?
Yeah, but can I mix it? You said I can mix it?
Yep, I'm gonna let you mix it as soon as I get all of this flour off the bowl.
Because you don't like the flour?
No, we don't want any flour to be visible. We want it to be all gone. How does it smell to you?
Good. You smell it.
Oh
yeah, it smells like banana bread already. Mommy, do we get a part in there?
Yes.
And then we'll,
Okay.
and then we'll mix
Now
it
I
up.
need the help of my assistant to give it a couple stirs. And then we're all done. Yummy, yummy.
You like it?
Oh, it smells so delicious. Okay, now we're gonna split that up. We're gonna take our loaf pan that we've already sprayed. Scoot back. I'm gonna give it one more last little spray. Thank you. Fan it out the way.
Next we're gonna put it in. Next we're gonna put it in. Oh my gosh! Mommy, it looks like oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
Yeah, it almost looks like oatmeal. What?
It does look like oatmeal.
This smells so good. Yeah, like so good.
And here is the finished product. That's what it looks like. We're gonna throw this in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Get back, it's hot. No, mommy's gonna do this part.
You don't want me to get burned?
No burnt.